My role demands learning new things. Finding innovative solutions and ways to improve the process is personally satisfying. Hello, my name is Reshmi Mukundan and I work in the ERP operations team at Flex Chennai. My role as an IT manager includes learning new technologies, finding innovative solutions, continuous process improvement that adds value to our business. I enjoy working with my team, being at knowledge sharing, taking responsibilities, solving issues, and getting feedback. All of these have helped me to enhance my skills. Finishing a task on time gives me a sense of accomplishment and motivates me to do a good job. Flex IT provides a platform to collaborate and implement new ideas. Being a woman, you always want to be respected, valued, and trusted both in your team and within your organization. And that is exactly what I've been experiencing for the past 15 years alongside my team. If you're a woman starting a career in IT, remember that your attitude and your motivation to constantly learn and collaborate are some of the most valued skills. Don't hesitate to use them. Find your path in IT at Flex.